Hands-on, OnePlus 6 review. The OnePlus 6 feels like the most polished, premium smartphone the firm has made in its short existence. It boasts an all-glass design, bringing it in line with big-name flagships such as the Samsung Galaxy S9 and iPhone X, a large 6.28-inch display complete with the on-trend notch, dual rear-facing cameras, both fingerprint and face unlock, and up to 256 GB of storage. There are several core improvements over the OnePlus 5T and OnePlus 5 that it replaces, and while it may not break any new ground in terms of features, the OnePlus 6 has an attractive package that keeps it relevant in 2018. OnePlus 6 release date and availability. OnePlus 6 release date, May 22. Coming to North America, UK, Europe and India first. The OnePlus 6 release date is set for May 22 in North America, Europe, and India, with the handset arriving in a host of other countries, including China, Hong Kong, Sweden, Finland and Denmark, soon after. For those who just can't wait until then, or who want to be one of the very first to get their hands on the new OnePlus 6, a limited number of handsets will be available to buy at a series of pop-up events around the world on May 21. In the UK, the OnePlus 6 will be available exclusively on contract from O2, and SIM-free from OnePlus' own website. Pre-orders at O2 are already open, so if you're already sold you can plant your flag now. OnePlus 6 price. Cheapest OnePlus 6 has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Most expensive OnePlus 6 has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The OnePlus 6 price starts at $529, £469, for the 64 GB/6 GB configuration, which is more expensive than the OnePlus 5T, which started at $499, £449, for the same RAM and storage. Then you have the 8 GB/128 GB variant with a price of $579, £519, which again is a £20 increase over the 5T. Finally, there's the top-end 8 GB/256 GB model, which officially takes the title of the most expensive OnePlus smartphone ever. This OnePlus 6 price for this configuration is $629, £569. That's still cheaper than the likes of the Galaxy S9, iPhone 8 and Sony's Xperia XZ2, but if you're looking for something more affordable you may want to check out the Honor 10. Design. Premium, all-glass design using Gorilla Glass 5. Alert slider has switched sides. Improved water resistance and headphone jack retained. The first thing you notice when you pick up the OnePlus 6 is that it feels different to previous flagships from the firm, as it boasts a glass front and back rather than the all-metal unibody that's been in place since the OnePlus 3. It's Gorilla Glass 5 front and back, with a toughened protection, hopefully meaning it won't easily smash, but there's no getting away from the fact that metal doesn't smash. For those who are more accident-prone, the good news is that OnePlus provides a transparent silicone cover in the box if you feel the handset needs a little extra protection and grip. This isn't the first time OnePlus has utilized a glass body on a device, with the OnePlus X also having the premium finish, but this is the firm's first flagship handset to get the treatment. OnePlus claims that it's improved the water resistance on the OnePlus 6 over its predecessors, but the phone doesn't carry an IP rating to guarantee its survival when fully submerged in water.